Hey there, folks! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of coding and exploring a fascinating concept, palindrome numbers. So, what exactly is a palindrome number, you ask? Well, imagine a numerical word that reads the same forward and backward. That's right, just like radars or a level, palindrome numbers have that same magical property, but with digits, like 121, 555, 12121, and many more. Now, let's dive into the world of Python programming and unravel the secrets to quickly checking whether a number is a palindrome using Python code. Get ready because this is going to be mind-boggling. All right, let's jump straight into the code. Grab your favorite code editor and follow along. First, we'll take the input number from user. Then we'll convert the number into a string using the steer function. This enables us to easily reverse the digits and compare them. Next, we'll create a variable called reversed numbers and assign it the reverse of the input number by doing slicing operation on number. After that, we'll compare the reversed number with the original input number. If they're equal, that means it's a palindrome. Finally, we'll run it and check whether a number is palindrome or not. And voila! In just a few lines of code, we can determine whether a number is a palindrome or not in Python. But hey, what's the practical use of checking palindrome numbers, you wonder? Well, brace yourselves because here comes the exciting part. Palindrome number checking can be incredibly useful in various areas, from ensuring data integrity to creating fun word games. So, my curious friends, next time you encounter a string of digits that seems identical in reverse, remember this nifty Python code and dissect the mystery of palindrome numbers. That's all for today's exploration into the world of palindrome numbers using Python. I hope you found it as exciting as I did. Remember, never stop exploring, keep coding.